approving me for loan. How can we even draw down the whole loan? How can we even draw down the whole loan now? And this week, World Bank say, mama, 430 million, and you people didn't tell us, and you people didn't. Ghana for accountability. This is the first time a government, he shows the people. This is the first time a Yanya government in Ghana, every money that he wants to do, he tells the people. Any change he wants to do, he tells the people. Some of you didn't even know what GDP meant. Inflation, grammaty, I say. The man is a yatutuni cocoa boyade, a situation boyade, more. Agymiefuo and Yansen Mutri Mumman Quasia for better than Mudebiako. Say, I must say they gave us. You guys went for the same 1 billion. IMF didn't give you. IMF said, "Mo de car, muntio, ntiema, muntia mamo." So you guys had to fucking run away and go to IMF for policy credibility. Even though your rating, go and check. And then when I'm coming back, I'm bringing the fact. Even though your rating was showing good signs, you were still in IMF conditionalities. Intinane, question me be something for me like my rating here, but me to me conquer Jiska or bank. When the banks only deals with rating, say who rate you good one, and a bank who's okay, acquire some agree. But because a bank name say, what that system of say getting stuff and not paying for it, because they know say move the car munti and yes, yeah, mamu. It's anka MP before so by they went now omomomo said 1 billion no nanka ekufado ne baumia oma draw 1 billion in aba ye ba yes John Domelo car. Yes, na the Mboa rejeka. Yes, one who in shoe. Yes, one who in house. Yes, nana we beje dine. Nana we beje car. Sana nanka mopeno. Sana nanka mopeno. Me say now you people are seeing the reason why Intia Ghana suffers under NDC because omun imprudent management. Omun imprudent management. Me say me de bia me ba be bomb yem. Ma starting na 413 TDN. We have 1 billion. We've drawn 250. Okay, and now let me tell you, COVID-19 no sika o mama ye no mama men kan ha enche obiara. Krobie ni wo we ase. Unless all your NDC chrome. NDC for chrome de omo enya bi because omo ye Agymiefuo a omo ani afrifra. Nti omo de say COVID relief no omo enya bi. But COVID ba ye be gina and say we have to solve it no. Okay? The fact of the matter and say every country, and I mean every country, I will not take one out. Every country was given that kind of relief. Ghana nyebi. Krokura sebe. Corona no anye den alcohol kra no omuso mu nyebi. Nti no na they say amobeka ede Ghana nkwa na ekoje coronavirus relief na. Because you have a smart president, he was able to register first. As a matter of fact, he was the first African president to secure 20 million vaccines. When the time came, he put in a bid for 20 million vaccines. When he didn't even have the money. When he didn't even have the money in his hand, he still went and then secured government only policy. There be any policy. Into Momo the end say ya kana wa mpenia near the veranda boys ne. As oka boys ni mule Agymiefuo no na ye de omaba na ameska kakrama okateche free fan money fix the country for no ma share Agymiefuo bi te se Kofi Blay no yellow se mon konko ye a way demonstration na wadwene ye adwuma for the first time wo de wosi we su hu ya wo so wo de wo ye Agymiefuo wo ye NDC ni Agymiefuo na we su hu ya for the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants they assemble cars Ghana. We nyansenia me nyanseni ntini minim say nena ye hihye ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here. Na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti e dia kra nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane mahama. Into my shop as a Mahama and Kwan bet to me as a Ghana for 4 years. Agymiefuo. Momo bebre mo atwene nya adwuma o. Obi aye minister, why MP, why vice president, why president, once Sagana. Hey, when you serious? I can't 4 years, but so now do you see the agenda? Ye metungu mene yen diska. President Mahama di oba obechiska obi abedibi.
Moja duhona abayefo fraba. Ana moja Mahama ye den konya sa project no. Mahama ye den konya sa project no. Eti nana for mumma ye din na ho.
Yes.
Okay, mami ma one example.
Métier.
JDM ye say from Accra to Kumasi. Yen dualization. It is often Accra ko Kumasi a. Say ye double road. Send ye Abrochiremu highway tie no. Wo kwa unshiaka. Wo ba unshiaka. So start here. Achimota to Ofanko. Eti wodru Ofanko honomo no. And ye do so elections.
Yeah.
But wofa in Sawam ediko Apeda Junction. Ni ya kwa kodru baabi akakakra ni adru suhum. And this is for buy no. Wamwaja to honum 8 years. Omanye eye nkoko bypass on the JDM 40 million ye.
Yeah.
8 years no. And omuye serious se ombeye ya enke na me ne wo ka sei. Nka katu Kumasi no. Nka ye do aru. Nka sabre nke aye double no akwakosi Kumasi de da. 8 years. Omanye obi anu ofa Kumasi kwa su bia no ehu se chese wo kwa na wo transfer wo mu kwa kakra bi na wo tisi rough road no so a every month na man for some shocks any ade and ye dede sana wo mu di quota gu one way su kakra egokosi su hu wo man taki road na me ni wo ka sei ye ba ye amuakwata da Roma wayama sese no the other side no ye bie ama chese kasi nam so akati tuwa bi na tese ehonomo no ya wie hopra ati this year nyankopɔ ya adomu a ye best start ye beto aso ati by close of next year 2023 no na tese wonya tu free nkrade a to Kumasi no enya de a woni ka bia behia aye straight sa nwa we gina no eya na amanfo nkai wodim se atamese ba ye benya term the gang of 4 sa kwai na ye no wase